Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you are new to my channel, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video recipes, you will get all the video notifications. So please do not forget to press the bell. So today I am presenting an Indian street food, Tawa Pulao, which is very famous in Maharashtra. You can prepare this with leftover rice or with fresh rice by just steaming some veggies, and the main spice of this recipe is the pav bhaji masala, and ideal for lunchbox also. So quickly check out the ingredient list. And now let's start. Now to make Tawa Pulao, here I have taken 1 glass regular rice. You can even take basmati rice also. So wash it for a couple of times and now put them in a pressure cooker. So we will make the rice first. So here I have taken 1 glass of rice, so we'll add 1.5 glass of water. So for 1 glass of rice, 1.5 glass of water, salt as per taste, little oil and half teaspoon of haldi powder. And now cook it for 2 whistles in high flame. Now after 2 whistles, switch off the flame, and once the pressure releases, just check the rice. You can see the separated rice grains. It has cooked nicely. And now let's prepare the veg pulao. So here I have taken 1 sliced onion, 1 small bowl of chopped capsicum, green frozen peas, chopped carrot, 1 small bowl of chopped beans, 1 chopped big tomato, and now crush ½ inch ginger and 3 to 4 garlic pods. Now in a heated tawa, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Temper this butter with 1 teaspoon of jeera. Add the crushed ginger and garlic paste. Now saute this for a few seconds and then fry the onions. Now after sauteing for 1 minute, just add the chopped veggies except tomato. So saute them well. Add salt as per taste, ½ teaspoon of haldi powder, ½ teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix well for 2 minutes and then add the chopped tomatoes. Again mix well and cover the lid for 5 minutes in low to medium flame. Now after 5 minutes, again mix it well and add 1 boiled chopped potato. Mix well, and now you need to add 2 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala. Now this is the main key ingredient of this recipe. This will only bring the beautiful smell and also it enriches the taste also. So saute them well, and now you need to add ½ teaspoon of garam masala powder. And now give a quick mix. And now cover this for 2 minutes in medium flame. Now the tomatoes are also smashed and the veggies are also well cooked along with the masalas. And now add the rice which we have prepared. Now give it a good mix. Once you have mixed the rice properly, now add some fresh coriander leaves and also add ½ lemon juice. Now mix well, and now it's done. So see, it's so simple and easy to make. You can just have it with raita or curd or even with pickle to tickle your taste buds. You can even serve it in your lunchbox also. I hope you like today's recipe. If you like this recipe, then please like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.